Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Sensor Wi-Fi camera. In this video I'll show you how to force restart it. Firstly, prepare a needle like this, and now take a look on the side of your camera. As you can see right here, we've got the reset hole. Now you have to insert your needle to this hole, and it's done. Let's try to turn it on right now. And as you can see, the camera has been reset. It's very helpful in case your camera freezes. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.